In this video, I'm going to show you one skill which changes everything. For the longest period of time, my art looked like this. But now, I can make these. One skill why most of the artists avoid it, and how I am personally trying to break out of my comfort zone right here in this particular drawing. Hi, I'm Mangesh, I'm an architect, digital artist. Before we start, let me tell you a story. Imagine two artists. Both start at the same time, both draw every single day, both are serious. Let's call them Artist A and Artist B. Artist A loves drawing what feels good. Front-facing faces, clean poses, nice proportions. Every drawing looks decent. People keep telling him that he is doing good. Artist B, on the other hand, keeps messing up, weird angles, broken anatomy. And from the outside, it almost looks like Artist A is a better artist. For a long time, I was Artist A. I drew a lot, but I drew what I already knew. And the scary part is, it felt like improvement. But something was missing. My drawings did not feel alive. They did not feel like they occupy space. They did not feel real. They looked flat. And no matter how much I polished them, they stayed flat. Then I realized the most uncomfortable truth. The difference between beginner art and advanced art is not detail, not line quality, not brushes. It's thinking in 3 dimensions. The one skill that changes everything is the ability to place form in space. Depth, perspective, foreshortening. Foreshortening is just a symptom. The real skill is 3D thinking. Most artists avoid this skill because it exposes everything. The moment you try foreshortening, anatomy falls apart, proportions feels wrong. You can't hide behind clean lines, and your art suddenly look worse. That's why most people never practice it seriously. They say, I will do it later, I need to get better at basic first. That's too advanced for me. But here is the plot twist. This is the basic. Because of foreshortening, you never draw an arm. You draw a cylinder in space. You never draw a hand. You draw a box turning toward the camera. When I started this drawing, I was not thinking that I want to make this pretty. I was thinking what comes forward, what overlaps, what disappears in space. And it felt horrible. I doubted every line. But something important was happening. I was finally thinking, not decorating. Now, let's go back to those two artists. Artist A keeps polishing comfort art. Artist B keeps attacking uncomfortable drawings. Months later, something weird started happening. Artist B's rough sketches started looking more powerful than Artist A's finished work. Not cleaner, not prettier, but stronger. Why? Because the viewer can feel the space. This is the moment that hit me. Advanced art is not about perfection, it's about clarity. When form sits correctly in space, even messy lines feels confident. This drawing you are watching right now is not perfect, but it moved me forward. And that matters more than looking good today. Foreshortening did not just improve my anatomy, it changes how I see everything. Faces, gesture, composition, even simple sketches. Once your brain switches to 3D thinking, you can't unsee it. So if your art feels stuck right now, here is the takeaway. Don't ask, how do I make this look better? Ask, how do I make this exist in space? Practice what scares you, not what flatters you. Draw the awkward angles. Draw the poses that break. Draw knowing it might fail. Because that one skill, thinking in 3D space, does not just improve your art. It changes how people feel when they look at your art. And once you start practicing it, your art will never look the same again. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you click on like and subscribe the channel. Also, if you want to improve your art practice, check out this next video. And thank you for watching this. Bye.